Is your PS5 controller not charging? Let's fix it step by step. First, connect your DualSense to the PS5 using the official USB-C cable. Some third-party cables only power but don't transfer charge, so test with the original if possible. Next, check if the orange charging light comes on. If not, try another USB port on the PS5 or even a wall adapter that supports 5 volts, 1.5 ampere or higher. If it's on charge, fully power down your PS5, unplug it, and then reconnect the controller. Sometimes a reset clears the issue. You can also press the tiny reset button on the back of the DualSense with a pin for 5 seconds. Also, clean the USB ports of the USB-C cable gently with a dry brush or compressed air in case dust is blocking the connection. Finally, if the battery is completely drained, leave it plugged for at least 30 minutes before turning it on. And if none of these steps work, the internal battery may need a replacement. But in most cases, these quick fixes will get your PS5 controller charging. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.